हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल वैंडरिंग आइज। यही वीडियो हिंदी में देखने के लिए ऊपर दिए गए आई बटन को दबाइए। टुडे आई हैव कम बैक विद अ टेम्पटिंग रेसिपी चिकन टिक्का बिरयानी। एज यू नो, आई विल मेक इट easy and simple. We'll also make it with clear steps so that it will be easier to understand even if you are a beginner or new to Indian cuisine. If you are a new viewer, kindly subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon to get immediate notifications of my upcoming videos. So let's start quickly. In the first step, we will marinate the chicken. For that, I have taken 400 grams of boneless chicken cut into medium-sized cubes. Now add 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic chili paste, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, chili powder or paprika powder according to your taste. I have used half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and salt according to your taste. That's it. Now give it a nice mix. Cover and keep it in refrigerator for at least 2 hours. But you can keep it for longer time also, and that will give tender tikkas. In the meanwhile, we will proceed to the second step. We will prepare the rice. For that, boil enough water. Once it starts boiling, add the whole spices like cinnamon, cardamom and cloves, and a teaspoon of salt. Now add the soaked basmati rice. I have soaked it for 30 to 45 minutes. Now allow it to cook. Don't cover it. Check frequently as we don't want the rice to be mushy. Take out and check whether the rice is 80% done. If it's done, strain the rice out of the water and transfer into another wide vessel so that the extra heat comes out of the rice. This keeps the rice fluffy and separate. In the third step, we will make the chicken tikkas. For that, put 4 tablespoons of oil in a non-stick pan. Heat it in high flame. Now start placing the chicken pieces. After some time, flip all the chicken pieces one by one. Cook the other side too. Turn the pieces frequently until the chicken tikkas are golden brown evenly. This will altogether take 8 to 10 minutes. Once done, keep the tikkas aside and go ahead with the next batch of tikkas. Then comes the fourth step, making the gravy. For that, I have taken a pan, heated in high flame. Put some oil, then add finely sliced 3 onions. Fry these for 10 to 12 minutes or until this becomes light brown like this. Once they are done, add a tablespoon of ginger garlic chili paste. Fry for 1 minute. Now add rest of the marination. Again, fry for 1 minute. Now add a tablespoon of tomato puree. I am using the ready-made ones. Now add 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Stir continuously until the yogurt is well combined and oil starts to separate from the edges. At this moment, add half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of biryani masala, 2 to 3 green chilies depending on your taste, and salt according to your taste. Now mix all these nicely. You can add chopped coriander and few mint leaves too. Wait for some time, you will see oil separating from the edges. Now I have added half cup of water. If you want your gravy to be little more runny, you can add 3/4 cup or 1 cup of water. You can add the chicken tikkas into the gravy, or you can keep them separately as you like. I like the tikkas dry, so not adding into the gravy. Now gravy is done. Now the final step is to assemble the biryani. For that, we have taken 1/4 cup of warm milk, a pinch of saffron threads, 1 teaspoon of kevda water and 2 to 3 drops of biryani essence. Mix and keep it aside. Now take a heavy bottom pan. This is homemade ghee. You can get its recipe in the I button as well as in the description box. Use a brush to grease the bottom as well as the sides. Spread half of the rice evenly. Then pour the gravy. If you want, you can make more layers of rice and gravy. In that case, make thin layers of rice. Place the chicken tikkas on the gravy. Now the final layer of rice. Then comes saffron milk. Now let me tell the optional things also. You can add some fried onions, some chopped coriander and some mint leaves too. Cover and place on low heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the pan from heat and keep it aside for 10 minutes as standing time. Chicken tikka biryani is ready. If you are a new viewer, kindly subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon to get immediate notifications of my upcoming videos. And if you like the video, don't hesitate to hit the like button and share the video with others. Some onions, lemon, and the most important, raita. Do let me know if you want the recipe of raita. The chicken pieces are tender and rice grains are just perfect. Do try my recipe and let me know your feedback. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.